Right. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to our Lunch and Learn segment. And for this afternoon, we will be discussing about simple steps to build a business in the financial industry. And for me, this is the best business to start, especially during this crisis of the COVID pandemic. Why? Because people are at home, no? So we don't want to go out, and we want to be safe always, and we as much as possible, having an intangible business is safer. Why? Because we don't have a physical product, no, hindi, wala tayong mga worries about the current situation. Okay, so this afternoon for 30 minutes I'm gonna teach you the steps. But before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rose, na Rosie Sardido. I am a financial educator of an organization na tinatawag na IMG, or International Marketing Group, for almost 7 years as a financial coach. And I am based here in Tagbilaran City, Bohol. And, years of coaching people about financial education. I pray and I hope that you will be learning a lot in our session this afternoon. Let's go ahead and start, no? So, sige. Okay. Why financial industry? Bakit ba kung magbi-business tayo, why is it recommended to do the business na financial industry? Because, no, the financial industry is where the money is created, distributed, and grown. So lahat ng pera pumupunta sa financial industry. Might as well we do a business that relates about money, about finances, 'di ba? So, but question is how to get started, right? Types of businesses in the financial industry. Eto, number one, you might want to own a financial firm. It could be a co-op, a lending company, whatever, a bank, an investment company, di ba? Banks, di ba? And then insurance company, investment company. However, if you own a financial firm, you as the entrepreneur, the owner, you need to have a big capital, you need to have big experience and expertise into that certain industry. However, if ordinary person lang tayo, unlimited tayo ng knowledge and capital, no? So, why might as well let's be in the new industry. O, di ba? Ano ba yung new industry? So, mayroon tayong mga basic comparisons in the following slide. Ito yung tinatawag natin na distribution industry. So, a product with better distribution will always win over a superior product with poor distribution or customer access. It's not fair, it's not right, but it's reality. Kahit gano'n pa kasarap, kaganda yung product mo, but if hindi siya nakakaabot sa mga consumers, hindi siya hindi, much better pa rin yung simple na product na kakaabot sa maraming consumers because of the distribution industry. I'll give you few examples here. We have Grab, no? Grab is a big transportation business that does not own any car. Bakit? Kasi they had a certain platform. They are a new industry in the transport business wherein wala naman siyang own car. However, nag-tap siya sa mga car owners. And in that way, there's distribution. Di ba? Maraming cars, maraming car owners, maraming tao yung may sources of income. So as a driver, no, Grab, you are in the new industry of the transport business because of a platform na tinatawag na Grab. O di ba amazing? You don't have to own hundreds of units of cars just to have start a business in the transport business. And here we are, we have a Goda, no? Big hotel business that does not own any hotels, di ba? Wala namang lines of hotel yung Agoda. Iba-ibang yung owner ng hotel. However, they just created a website, a platform wherein the hotel business is being distributed all over the world easier because of a certain platform. So new industry siya with regards to hospitality, di ba? Tama? And then we have here Facebook, the biggest content business that does not own any content, because who owns the content? Yung mga may mga accounts sa Facebook, like nagbo-boost yung mga businesses. Tayo sa ating personal Facebook account, ipinopost natin yung ating mga anong tawag dito, mga whatever we want to say what's inside our minds, 'di ba? If we have businesses, online businesses, ipinopost natin sa Facebook. Okay, and business owner boost contents on Facebook. However, Facebook didn't create the content. It's the distributor, the account holders. And that's a platform in the new industry that allows distribution to become more and more easier. And we have here YouTube, biggest video business that does not own any video. Ganon. And here we have McDonald's, biggest distributor of Coca-Cola products, burgers, and toys. Di ba? So si McDonald's naman is a distribution business. Bakit? Lahat ng McDonald's, pare-pareho lang sila ng products, no? So, one McDonald's, the same French fries, the same burger. Di ba? Hindi naman iba-iba yung taste or yung panlasa ng mga product na i-distribute nila sa McDonald's. How many McDonald's branches in the world? If, in reality, McDonald's feed 5% of the world's population. Imagine that, distribution business. And they distribute Coca-Cola products, right? Now, that's a new industry in the food business. Tama? Kahit gaano pa kaganda yung restaurant mo, kagaling yung chef ng restaurant, pero isang branch ka lang, isang location ka lang, poor distribution. That is why a product with better distribution will always win over a superior product with poor distribution or customer access. So that's the new industry, distribution business. And here comes our organization, IMG. We are a big business in the financial industry that does not own any financial product. Can you believe that? No? We are not an insurance company. We are not an investment company. We are not a healthcare company. We are just an organization that teaches people about financial education. That's the new industry, no? So I encourage you, if you want to build a business in the financial industry, might as well join our organization because it will give everyone a chance to do that. And you don't need a big capital. You don't have to be an expert to be able to make your business get successful in the financial industry, right? So we have here the International Marketing Group presenting to you. We are a one-stop shop of all your financial needs. We are a community. We are a group of people that advocates on financial education, and wherein people can execute through our partner companies. That's what I've said, wala kaming product, but we have partner companies. And when you become a member of this organization and you want to execute your learning, you will have best deals from our partner company. Discounts, exclusive prices, wholesale prices, di ba? Ganon. Okay. And together with us in our campaign, we have here Brother Bo Sanchez, and his mentors are this gentleman here. Excuse me. We have here Sir Joanne de las Peñas, Sir Noel Arandilla, and Mr. Bart Borja, and they are the founders of the IMG organization. So if you follow Brother Bo in his teachings about abundance mentality, might as well join our organization and make Brother Bo Sanchez Mentors as your mentor. And here we are. We have here Madam Corina Sanchez Rojas, one of our brand ambassadors, and she's holding our book which we distribute to our co-Filipinos. And we have here Mr. Boy Abunda. He's also supporting our advocacy on financial literacy. So, yan. Okay? And eto na, how can you build a business na financial industry? Become a financial coach. Like me, like many of our other colleagues here in our organization dito sa IMG. So, what is the product of our business? The answer is peace of mind. Wala tayong isi-ship na product, walang mabubulok na product, walang mapapanis na product. No, because we share financial education, and we offer peace of mind, financial peace of mind towards our friends, to our family, to our acquaintances, di ba? And we have here, we educate people about the importance of building a solid financial foundation. And the integrity of the system, attention to this, we don't make money recruiting people. So if you are thinking, ano ba tong IMG, baka networking to. No, again, we don't make money recruiting people. If you join us, that's fine. And the person who will invite you will not earn anything out of you. So hindi ka nakakapag-isip, baka pinipirahan ako nito. So di ba confusing? Just stay tuned because I'm gonna explain further how this business works. If we don't make money recruiting people, how can we make money then? And later I will share it to you how. Okay? And we have here, everybody gets an equal opportunity to join, open to all people from all walks of life, no? So yung ibang trabaho need pa ng mga requirements like dapat college degree, dapat masteral degree or something. Yung tagapindot lang ng elevator dapat with pleasing personality, di ba? Here in IMG, wala ka tayong pinipili kay sino ka pa. Even we just came from our convention last weekend and one of our newly promoted CEOs is a person with a disability, yung wala siyang isang kamay, di ba? So at IMG is the only organization that gave that guy a chance to be successful, di ba? Wala tayong pinipili kahit elementary ka lang, kahit saan ka pang galing na backgrounds in life, bata, matanda, may ngipin o wala. The our organ opportunity is open to all. And we have a proven successful system already in place, di ba? Ganon. And we have here this is what we teach people. We are financial educators and we teach people about awareness on how to build solid financial foundation. Bakit? Our target market is yung lahat ng mga tao sa mundo, especially Filipinos, di ba? Na yung ating financial situation is not really solid. Diba? So how to build a solid financial foundation? Like building a house, we must build it from the ground up. Diba? So as we teach people, people should have long-term care, protect their income in case they are the breadwinner, eliminate debts, build enough emergency fund before they invest. In that way, the solid financial foundation is strong. However, kadalasan Pinoy mali yung kanilang pag-build ng solid financial foundation. Nagsisimula sa taas di ba? Kapag may pera, investment agad, nakakalimutan nila na they need to establish enough emergency fund first. Bakit? Kasi if there are financial setbacks na mangyayari sa buhay natin, example, this COVID pandemic, 'di ba? Emergency 'to kasi maraming tao na nawalan ng trabaho, maraming tao na mahina yung kita ng negosyo. And what will happen to their investment? Anong tawag dito, nasasanla yung kanilang mga alahas, yung kanilang mga bahay, lupa, mga properties, hindi na protect yung investment kapag walang emergency fund. So and then if ever we have debts to pay, we need to eliminate it slowly because we cannot move forward into building our wealth if we have a lot of debts. And we have here protect our income with life insurance and healthcare. Kasi based on statistics, the number one cause of personal bankruptcy is hospitalization. How many people na maraming properties, mayaman before, but then nagkasakit, na pasok sa hospital, malaki yung bill, naubos lahat ng napundar na wealth. In other words, their financial foundation is not strong. And this is what we teach people as financial educators in the new industry of the financial industry. So imagine you are in that kind of business. You are helping a lot of people, saving a lot of families, when you do the mission of financial literacy. And of course, lastly, in order for you to build a solid financial foundation, you need to increase your cash flow first. Kasi, anong gagawin natin? Paano na tayo makakapag-invest, makakapagkuha ng healthcare if yung income natin kulang? So, dapat we need to increase our cash flow. How to do it? Business solution of our organization. And here you are. You join as a member, as a financial educator, and wala tayong makukuhang recruitment fee if ever you join our organization, na recruit ka namin as part of this company. Hindi tayo makaka-earn anything. However, we have partner companies. And what are those partner companies? Eto lang naman sila, si Kaiser, si Manila Bankers Life, eto si Vistaland, eto si SM Development Corp, di ba? Eto yung mga big partner companies. How can we earn here in IMG? We educate people. And when they apply what they've learned and they get healthcare, they build a solid financial foundation, these big partner companies will compensate us as a referrer to them. Parang mayroon tayong incentive, referral incentive. Si IMG ba yung nagbibigay niyan? Hindi. Etong mga partner companies. For example, you have a friend na gastador pala utang, di ba? In-invite mo sa financial classes ng IMG kasi financial educator ka di ba? And then natutunan niya yung solid financial foundation. Gusto niya ng healthcare. Kumuha siya ng Kaiser. If ever nag-join siya sa IMG, yes, that's fine. And then kumuha siya ng Kaiser. Kaiser will gonna give you referral incentive out of that. And is it necessary for them to join to get Kaiser? No, it's up to them. Pwede din silang mag-save lang, hindi sila mag-join. But bakit nila kailangang mag-join? For them to be involved in the advocacy and for them to get other benefits on top of that, and for in order for them to refer someone as well and earn extra income. And later we will gonna be discussing that one. What is the potential income in this in this business, in the new industry of the financial industry? So example, you help someone save Kaiser K100 annual. Example lang to. For example, you invite your friend to a class and nag-save siya ng Kaiser. So as what I've said kanina, marami tayong partner companies, but I just gonna focus on this guy here, Kaiser, because yung solid financial foundation, remember, no? Kaiser is the the healthcare is the main block when you build a solid financial foundation. So that is why, for example, you refer someone to Kaiser K100 annual, maraming plan ha. Ask the person who invited you kung ano yung mga available plans. And of course, if you want to apply as a financial educator, you will be trained on how to do that as well. So if you are a new member, tinatawag ka na associate, you just join IMG and you got Kaiser, you are entitled to earn 20% referral incentive. For example, your friend saved K100 annual of premium of 58,821, Kaiser will gonna give you 20% of that, 11,764. Okay lang ba? Okay ra no, di ra ta malain ana. Okay na, additional extra income. And if you become promoted to MD, marketing director, your contract will gonna hit 37% from 20%. The requirement of that is you just have to have 5 clients, 5 associates joining you within 30 days, and your contract would increase 37%. And 37% of this premium, 58,821, you will gonna earn 21,000 extra income. Okay, and we have here SMD, 47%, you're gonna earn 27,000 extra income. That is why a lot of people join IMG part-time, no? That they decided to fire their boss and do this advocacy full-time because their income surpassed their income from their jobs. Okay, and if you're not ready to go full time yet, that's okay, because only 5% of the entire IMG organization is doing the business full time. 95% of IMG members are doing it part time. So don't worry, you don't have to resign from whatever your job is right now. Okay, and we have here let's compare the old industry versus new industry. Ano ba yung mga examples ng mga old industry? Insurance companies, yung mga blank life, di ba? Like yung traditional insurance company. Ito, insurance company, mga investment company, real estate company, those are the old industry. New industry is IMG. How can we compare IMG to them? Baka sabihin mo, hindi na lang ako mag-IMG, doon na lang ako mag-ahinte sa whatever company. Example, commitment, full-time versus part-time. In the old industry, if you become a manager, no, you are required to go full-time with them. However, here in IMG, even if you become a CEO and AVC, if you don't want to go full-time, that's fine. We don't have any rules about that. And ito, closed system, captive agent sila. Meaning, if they are brokers or agents of that certain organization, they are not allowed to offer product na hindi kasali sa kumpanya nila. In IMG, wala naman tayong rules na ganyan. In fact, our range of products are very broad, di ba? Compared sa kanila, if life insurance agent ka, life insurance lang talaga yung focus mo. However, in IMG, meron tayong healthcare, life insurance, real estate, car insurance, building insurance, whatever, no, investments, marami, di ba? And we have here, quota. The old industry has quota. If hindi ka nakahit ng quota, you are gonna be demoted. If ever manager ka na, hindi ka nakahit ng quota, babalik ka sa pagiging ordinary agents. And you can be delisted if wala kang benta, di ba? Dito sa IMG, may benta o wala, IMG ka forever. Kasi optional lang naman yung pagdo ng business. Saan ka nakakakita ng ganon ka-flexible na system? Only here in our organization dito sa IMG. And we have here career glass ceiling. Bakit? If you are in the old industry, you want to become a manager, if buhay pa yung manager mo, hindi mo siya pwedeng palitan, no? Unless hindi siya mamatay or hindi siya ma-demote, di ba? Dito sa IMG, wala tayong career glass ceiling, because even if your CEO is still alive and kicking, you can always become a CEO whenever you want. You promote yourself, right? And we have here, the old industry is focused on product selling, focus on selling. IMG focused on the advocacy of educating people, di ba? So when we go out to the field, we don't bring a brochure, we bring a book because we educate people. That's how unique our organization is. And we have here territory limits. So for example, if you are a car salesman from Davao, for example, and then meron kang clients sa Manila, you cannot sell to those people because there's another team handling clients in that area, di ba? So meron kang territory limits. However, dito sa IMG, mula Apari hanggang Hulo, pwede mong i-share yung financial education. You can have a Kaiser client in Cebu, even if there's a big office there, other team members doing the IMG business there. And you can still offer Kaiser to that client. No, wala tayong rules about territorial boundaries. Where can you find a company that's so flexible like that, di ba? And we have here ownership. Ano ba tong ownership? This is very critical because when you are an agent, real estate agent, insurance agent, when you retire or when you die or when you resign from that company, what will happen to all your client portfolio? The company will gonna get it back. However, dito sa IMG, if you become a CEO here, and then you resign or God calls you home early, your code, your broker's code will gonna be transferred to your son, to your spouse, no? So, hindi sayang lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. Find something you believe in and put your life into it. However, those are just, saan ka makakakita ng ganon benefit? Even in our jobs, even if we become very successful in our career, when we die, hindi naman automatic principal yung anak natin, 'di ba? Hindi gano. It's not like that in the traditional or old industry. Only here in the new industry and in this organization called IMG. Okay? And yeah, malapit na. Okay, so perks of being an IMG coach. I'm gonna be sharing it to you. Number one, rewards and recognition. Celebration of big wins and memorable moments. So how ako naman, hindi naman ako nag-excel sa school in my childhood, but here in IMG, I was able to be rewarded with, in front of thousands of people na hindi ko na-experience sa buong buhay ko. And yeah, a lot more. Okay, and we have here world-class recognition. We have rings, pins, watch, and then etong car na to, so need natin i-qualify para ma-hit yon. And hindi siya utang, hindi ba, free talaga, binibigay ng IMG to those people who work hard and who help a lot of people. And we have here opportunity to travel. We have here Hong Kong, Macau, and whatever. And in fact, our team has already hit the free London amazing trip supposedly for 2021. Hopefully, mawala na si COVID. So gusto mo bang pumunta ng London, become a financial educator here in IMG, help a lot of people, and you will be rewarded. Okay, and we have here free healthcare. MDs are being entitled to 70,000 per illness healthcare, and we have our SMDs 100,000 per illness. May qualification din yan, no? So of course, and if you join, your inviter, we're gonna explain how it works. And we have here CEOs and executives 150,000 per illness, and take note, pre-existing diseases are being covered with this healthcare benefit. Yan. And we have here personal development. You don't need a big capital. You just have to grow yourself. Are you ready to become the best version of yourself? And, it's very possible here in IMG because we have positive environment, no? So, lahat ng mga tao dito, ini-influence ka na maging better person, no? Di ba? According to them, that you are the average of the 5 people you're with most of the time. If yung mga kasama mo, palautang, gastador, no, mabisyo, ganun din yung mangyayari sa iyo. However, dito sa IMG, you are surrounded with people who have a saver, investor, entrepreneurial mindset, and you will also become like them in the future. And we have unlimited trainings. In fact, we are improving ourselves on a daily basis, and we have amazing mentors training us regularly for free. That's your benefit as a member. In fact, many other successful businessmen and entrepreneurs, they pay for very expensive trainings, and they pay very expensive mentors for them to have a coach in their life coach, business coach. Here in IMG All In, no, meron tayong mga amazing mentors. And of course, by just joining our organization, you will have access to our fast, easy, clear, and doable system that na kahit sino pwedeng gawin. Madaling i-duplicate, madaling ipa-run in your own little way. And we have here, be part of something big. No, sorry, hindi pa na-update. Mission and advocacy natin is to educate. Before, that was 10 million families for 2025. But now, we have increased our target to 30 million financially educated families by 2030. Sorry for the not updated slide. And that's our mission and advocacy. and we are living a life full of purpose because you wake up every day, alam mo sa sarili mo na meron ka pang pamilyang isi-save, mga pamilyang walang protection, mga pamilyang maraming utang, na isi-share mo sa kanila yung advocacy. And we convert people from spenders to savers to investors and to entrepreneurs. So we change mindset of people here, and we are able to help a lot of families. In that way, you change the world. Is it possible? Yes, it is, because it worked for me. So it can work for others too. So hindi ko maisip kung ano yung buhay ko if ever hindi ako nag-IMG. No, siguro minimum pa din yung sweldo ko, marami pa din akong utang, hindi ko na nakukuha kung ano man yung mga narating ko ngayon. And that's because of this organization, and because I decided to become a financial coach and do a business in the financial industry. Okay, so how to get started? This is how it very simple. You just have to become an associate. How to do that? Talk to the person who invited you, and you just fill up a form. It could be a paper application. It could be online, and the most recommended talaga online ngayon because of the current situation. And you pay 12,382. Yung breakdown nito is i-discuss ng yung inviter, the membership of it. So i-discuss ng inviter. So bakit meron siyang asterisk? Because it differs depending on your choice of flexibility. Kung ano yung gusto mong coverage, kung ano yung gusto mong plan, and all of that. And we have here, by becoming an associate, you have license as a broker automatically. So the payment varies depending on age as well and your preferences. So again, talk to your inviter. And number 2, train yourself. Fast start. Be coachable. Undergo the new associate members orientation. And that orientation will gonna teach you the system on how everything works, because hindi ka naman makakapatakbo ng business without training. Especially in this kind of business na anong tawag dito, financial industry. So meron talaga tayong i-undergo na training, and that would be discussed on the NAMO, New Associate Members Orientation. Start sharing to your family and friends, because you are a financial educator. You joined here as for a reason to educate a lot of people, and attend all meetings, because as what I said, yung puhunan naman natin dito sa IMG, maliit lang yung 12,000. If mag-start ka ng traditional business, parang ano lang yan, business permit, kulang pa, di ba? Here in IMG, you just have to attend meetings and follow the system. Be coachable, align to your mentors, and everything will be good. Okay? Right? So are you ready to win in life? Yes, if you want, if yes, type in the chat box. All right? So if you are ready to win in life, welcome in advance to our community and talk to your inviter, no? Book a second appointment. Thank you. If you have questions, you can add me on Facebook or contact me into the details below. That's my mobile, landline, my email, my personal Facebook, and my business page. All right? Thank you so much. I hope you learned a lot. No, busog na busog tayo. Again, see you on the next video of our next session of our Lunch and Learn. Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. God bless. Bye-bye.
Boom! You might not know, so you are conquer alongside Chrissa. You know different flavor, you know? Tell them. The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the beach is where I'll be. Me and my friends under the coconut tree, sipping on Hennessy, yeah. You come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance now. We play a little Damian Marley on the boombox, and then we start for dance, and now I'm singing like, girl, you